And March 1st also kicks off the first day of meteorological spring, as we're going to continue to stay above average not only today, but especially for your weekend. We might still be left with cloud cover and a couple showers today, but sunshine and very warm temperatures take over very shortly. Here's a live look at NIU. A lot of that cloud cover building in, as we're going to continue to see these clouds really throughout most of your Friday. Looks like we have some dry conditions there in DeKalb, but taking a look at Exact Track, a little bit of a different story for others. Good news is it's not going to last very long, as we'll see a lot of this activity moving out and that warmer air moving in. It's going to help warm things up into our weekend, but for now, taking a closer look at home, it does look like we are staying cloudy with these showers moving through. And temperatures for some are cold enough to support some snowflakes. Otherwise, you could see some of that rain throughout parts of Dixon as well. This is going to continue to move further to the north as then it quickly exits. But your temperatures are definitely going to continue to climb. Right now, a lot of us into the low to mid 40s, 42 degrees in Freeport, 44 in Roscoe, 38 in Rochelle. Notice our average high for today's day is 39 degrees. Some of us are relatively in that territory, but we are still going to warm things up just by a few degrees. As we head into the rest of the afternoon, you'll see these showers slowly moving through, but then they quickly exit. Cloud cover, though, is going to stick around, but luckily the rest of your Friday does look to stay dry. This is 5:30. Any evening plans or dinner plans not going to need the umbrellas. As your temperatures climb, you're also going to notice a bit of a breeze out there, very similar to yesterday. Gusts up to about 25 miles an hour with some of those spotty showers moving through. They exit, and so does some of the cloud cover through tonight in time for your Saturday morning. We still drop in the mid-30s, but take a look at your temperatures for the start of your weekend. We're back into the 60s tomorrow. A little bit of a breeze, but plenty of sunshine. Just a downright gorgeous day. Now the winds are going to start to pick up into your Sunday as your temperatures, well, they're likely going to tie the record. It does sit at 73 degrees for Sunday, so we'll potentially tie or break the record by the end of the weekend, but also turn rather windy. It's also going to be dry, so a little bit of an elevated fire danger for the end of the weekend as well. That's going to be all ahead of another system that'll join us early next week. Here is a sneak peek. We'll see a cold front move through, bringing us some showers. A bulk of the activity, though, holds off until Monday. You can see it does bring us some widespread rain as it continues to move through, but exits very early into Tuesday, as we then, you guessed it, return right back to those sunny skies. So there's that gradual warm up for you. Enjoy the weather, especially tomorrow. Gonna have to hang on to those hats by Sunday, but in your most accurate 10-day forecast, we do end up climbing into those 60s by Monday and then 50s after that rain moves through, and we likely stay within those 50s through most of next week. Dylan.